What's going on, everyone? So welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on my car, my 97 Mitsubishi Mirage, and what I have for you guys today is right here. This is a tachometer that I found on the Amazon store, pretty cheap. This one goes all the way to 8,000 RPM and it has a shift light. You can set your activation point right there. So this one comes with the mounting bracket, hardware, and installation instructions. For the wires, this is a 4-wire application. So the red is going to be your positive to the battery. The yellow one is going to be for your lights. It activates the light in here. So you might want to connect this to your parking lights, headlights, or if you have a daytime running light, that works perfect. Black is ground, of course, just ground it. And then green is for the negative on your coils or the RPM wire on your PCM. If you have a car like mine, just leave me a message and I'll do a private video on showing you what wire on the PCM. But right here, this car does not have a tachometer. So it's just, fuel gauge, speedometer, and temperature. I do have this one installed already, but this one does not have a shift light. But the wires behind it are all the same colors. It's just 4 wires: red, yellow, black, and green. So I'm just going to connect those, like parallel with each other according to color, and it should work on this other one. So after I connect it, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to program it. So let me go ahead and just wire this in. Alright, so the wires are wired in. Right now I have them just like that, just making sure that everything works. So I have it with the key. As soon as you turn on your key, and with your lights, if you turn off your key, it'll turn off. But that's what it does. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. It's pretty low idle and cold start. Alright guys, so the gauge is working correctly. So now to set it up, if you have a 4-cylinder, 6, 8, whatever, you have to adjust it accordingly. So this right here, this knob is just to set the shift light, but you also have a button right here in the center. If you press it, that gives you the brightness or dim level on the screen. So it gives you 5 different levels. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it gives you 5 different levels of brightness. Now to set up the cylinders, you leave the button pressed for a few seconds. It'll start blinking. Now the needle will indicate how many cylinders you're at. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever it is. So you press the button to change it. So press a few seconds. Since 6 cylinders, 7, 8, 1 cylinder, 2 cylinder, 3 cylinder, 4 cylinder. Leave it like that. it's saved. So that's it. It's saved as 4-cylinder. And now let's go ahead and start the car. So yeah, I have a low idle. There it goes. So right now the shift light is about 3 right now. Nice. About 4. Alright, so very nice, very nice. So you can adjust right here the shift light. I'm not sure what I'm gonna set it at, but that's pretty much it. Very nice, very nice. So it's very stable. The needle is very steady. Let me see. That's 4,000 RPM.